Walking up to the door. Here we go. Taking a video. To the door. I don't know how to put the key in, so this is gonna be. There we go. So, oh yeah. This is the basement.
No, it's a crack partition. Yeah.
This is locked here. How do I unlock it?
It's always the way. It's always the way. Yeah.
Oh, duh. Never mind. Down here. These locks are hard. Okay. This is the kitchen. Ooh. We got a new fridge. Oh my gosh. Look at this fridge. Wow. What the freak?
Size of the one you guys have now too.
Here's our freezer. Oh, it's nice and cold in there.
Well, this is definitely on then.
We got cupboards up here, down here. It's a brand new stove. Watch out. This is the living room. This is the front door here. I'm getting a video for Eric's family. Here's our window. That's a wall. You're gonna be like, why does it take you so long to unlock your door? This is a closet. There's a little space. We're going upstairs. That's the bathroom here, but Eric's in there right now. So hold on. This is the medium-sized bedroom here. Here's one of the closets. Here's the linen closet.
Cool. There's a pole right there too.
No, not tying my dog up.
I wasn't talking about tying him up.
That's the backyard. Let me show you the bathroom. Oh, that's different. That's the bathroom. An actual tub. And here's the stairs to go to the other rooms. This is a small room. It's very small, but it'll be nice. Here's the closet. And the last room. This is the master bedroom.
I'm just looking around there.
Here's the closet in here. And that's it.